YouTube. This is Bad Guy 103. Today I'm gonna teach you a little bit of C++ programming. It's not really anything too difficult today. All it's gonna do is say hello world, and I'm a C++ programmer. So basically, first you would open up your Visual C++ 2008 Express Edition, and when you open that, you will do File, New Project. Okay? So, one second. Oh my god. So, you go New Project. Right? You'd click Control New Project. Windows 38. You'd enter the name in that you want to call it. So, we would call it Hello World. Then you would push OK. Okay. So we're just going to enter after now. Then you're going to push OK. You do application settings, empty project, finish. But since I've already done that, I'm not going to do that. Then, once that's all done, you will come to a page that will look like this. It won't have this in there yet. First, you'd have to click on source files and right click it and click add new item. Then you'd click C++ file and enter a name. And I said main because it's the easiest to go with, and most of your programs will have a main and then a backup code for when you get into more programming. Anyway, then you have your little slash, star, and then you can enter a little comment. This comment won't show up in the program, of course. I just said my name and what the program does. There's different types of comment you can do. You can do a line comment, which is this double slash and then your line comment, or you can do a block comment, which I did up here. Block comment is sometimes more useful if you're doing a really long comment. Or a line comment does work, but I recommend going with the block comment. Then you do pound include IO stream, which basically means include your input-output stream of your computer. Then, using namespace std, and then you do int main. Then you're gonna do a little squiggly bracket right there, which will basically open up your program. In it, you can have a bunch of things. For now, we're just doing basic things, which would be count, then open, then two little left triangles, quotation marks, which basically means it's going to print that comment onto the command panel, what it's going to say, and then closes it, and then this ends this ends what that part is supposed to do. You can add more things in here, like end line, which will basically make a space right here. But I don't want that. Then I have another console output, which will, with the two arrows again, and it's saying open quotation, I'm a C++ programmer, close quotation, and then ending it again. Again, you could have end line there. I chose not to go with those. Then you put return 0. Return 0 basically lets you decide how many times it should run if it fails the first time. So let's say if it says hello world and then for some odd reason it doesn't say I'm a C++ programmer, it's gonna run it that many times until it gets it right. I recommend going 0 because it means less times crashes, you can find out what's wrong with it, etc. Then you close it off. Well, actually, first you do another semi mark, and then you close it off. That's the end of the program, and then you push Control F5 on your computer. Unfortunately, I can't do that right now because my command isn't working. I don't know why. I gotta take my computer in. But it would then basically open up a command saying, hello world, I'm a C++ programmer, and then push any key to continue, which would close the command prompt. This is a very simple thing. Don't worry if you didn't get it the first time. I know it's kind of hard to hear me, so I will post a description, post my description of what to do, what each thing means on YouTube for you. And thanks for watching YouTube. If you have any questions, again, if you have any questions or comments, leave me comment or message me. I'll answer your comment, and if it's a good question, I will make a YouTube video out of it, and I will say your name in it. If there's any other questions about computers, like anything at all, and I can help you with, I will make a video, because I guarantee other people are probably having that same problem. Until then, subscribe, and thanks for watching YouTube.